Brooklyn, come introduce the flying girls again.
And you make me so proud because you flying with me so much energy.
Well, that's the truth.
And that's the truth today because that's nice because you like me. You like me and you're gonna fly with me. Yeah, makes me so proud. You make me want to shout hooray. You want to make me shout hooray. Say it one more time, I didn't hear you. Hooray. Hey. I didn't hear you one more time. Because I didn't hear you. Yeah. That's going to make me his. You should help. You should help.
And what is your name again of your group? What are you and Sisty? The what?
I'm not ladybug.
Oh, okay.
The other one is a ladybug.
Okay.
You know what my name is?
What is your name?
My name is Lady Downy Doomybug.
Lady Downy Doomybug.
And here comes Lady Doonybug.
Lady Doonybug.
Come on, Lady Doonybug. Let's go. This is her right now.
Okay.
This is us. This is us.
Excellent.
She wants to spin around.
Lilzy.
That's not Lily. It's Damo Doonybug.
Excellent. All right. Beautiful. You both look beautiful.
But
All right. Fly away, ladybugs. Fly away.
come, Lady.